Keeping your HP docking station firmware up to date is essential for performance, security, and compatibility. Firmware updates often include bug fixes, stability improvements, and important security patches that keep your setup running smoothly. There are two simple ways to check your current firmware version. The easiest method is using HP Support Assistant. After installing it from HP's official website and connecting your dock, open the app, go to My Devices, and select your docking station. You'll see the current firmware version and any available updates. This method is ideal because it automatically detects your device and provides one-click update options. The second method uses Windows Device Manager. Right-click this PC, choose Properties, and open Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, locate your docking station, right-click it, and select Properties. Under the Details tab, choose Hardware IDs from the drop-down to view firmware-related identifiers. This method works without extra software but provides more technical information. Before updating, make sure you're running Windows 10 version 1903 or later, have administrator access, a stable internet connection, and your dock properly connected. For business environments, HP Smart Update Manager allows batch updates across multiple devices. Regular firmware updates can resolve most connectivity issues, improve USB transfer speeds, and strengthen security protections. HP typically releases updates quarterly, so checking periodically keeps your dock performing at its best.